It's on camera. Come Mahati.
Good.
Okay. So the first yoga posture is Surya Namaskara.
ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು
Mahati, Ajay,
ಕೂತ್ಕೋತ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ
ಸರಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ Mahati is going to do Surya Namaskara today. Okay. Feet together. Take a deep breath. Bend down. Okay. Good job. Very good. One foot forward. Lift your head, Mahati. Sitting model. Lift. Good job. Get up. Back together. To the other side, back, lift up one more time, hold it, that's it. Good job.
ಗುಡ್
You can relax now. Okay. Now, Mahati is going to do Purva Kottasana. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, bend. Great job. Okay. Now, good job. Now Mahati is going to do splits.
I can do splits.
Splits ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
I can.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ you should start with. Take a deep breath. Bend down. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now Mahati is going to do Halasana. Hold it. One more time. Hold it. ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, that's good. That's good. Very good. Now Mahati is going to do Chakrasana.
ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಣೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ
Yes.
Oh, you're done, tell me.
Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. That's good. That's good. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. Great job. Now, Mahati will do. What is that called, Mahati?
Vajra.
Good job. Mahati. Vajrasana. ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು ಮೇಲಮ್ಮ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ Mahati ಈಗ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಪದ್ಮ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತರಿ ಹೋಗು ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಹಾಂ ಈಗಲೇ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್
You done?
ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ Mahati ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೀ ಕಾಲು